She's only 15 minutes away, and that's just enough time for me to figure out if I should stay.